Raven families, this is Kim Berge, and I have another update piece of information for you in regards to your direct deposit reimbursements. We are getting a lot of calls with families wanting to know what their options are for submitting that information to Raven. So here we go. The question often is do you have to have a canceled check? The answer is that it's preferred. That's our preferred method of getting that information. However, with as many families that have online banking or an online bank account, sometimes you don't have canceled checks. And so the other option is for you to go into your online banking and to print off a direct deposit information sheet. To do that, you have to go and log into your online banking portal. Once you're there, most of the accounts are set up so that you can click on your accounts tab. There will be some type of a button or a tab there for you to click on to access all of your accounts. It's usually in your menu bar. Different banks do it differently, so you might have to look a little bit to find it. Once there, then there's usually like an option to manage or a direct deposits button that you can click on to find that direct deposit page. Once you're there, then if you have multiple accounts, you'll have to make sure that you choose the correct account that you want your reimbursement deposited into. The other option, if you're not able to find it under the accounts menu, is to use the search feature and do a search specifically for direct deposit. That will give you the information that you need specifically for your individual bank to be able to find that information. Once you're there, no matter which option you use on how you get there, you should be able to generate a PDF page of a direct deposit slip that you can then use instead of a canceled check. You want to print that page in a hard copy and drop it by the office, or you want to email it. Those are the two ways to get it to us. A word of caution from one of our financial officers is that it's really important when you're working with these documents to be sure that you're protecting your personal information. So just a reminder that your direct deposit sheet has all of your banking information on it. It usually has a lot of personal information on it as well. So remember, the choice is yours, but we want to make sure that your information is protected, so you have a choice. You can print it off, put it in an envelope, and drop it by the office in a hard copy. Please make sure you put your family name on the outside of the envelope. That way we can make sure that we have all the information that we need. The other piece is you do have the choice of emailing it in, but again, that's not the most secure method, but we will leave that choice up to you because Raven is all about choice and customer service. So you have multiple options on where you can gather that information from and how you can submit it to Raven. Thank you for taking a few minutes of your time today to watch this video. We really appreciate the extra effort that parents are putting forth in making sure that we have all the information necessary to get their children enrolled and school started. Have a wonderful day.